This is the area close to my hostel. So this is Bristol Hostel Hotel. So I wanted to stay here. I was just looking in the year 2013. So when my family is with me, was with me. So I wanted to stay in this hotel. But during Christmas, it was raining continuously, and there was no trains. So that's why I couldn't come to Bristol Bath. So that's why I'm coming now. So I always wanted to visit Bath, Cardiff and Bristol because Bath is very famous for Roman spas, Roman baths, and Cardiff is capital of Wales. Wales is a separate country in the United Kingdom, so it is very small. It is only eight counties. So I wanted to visit Cardiff Cricket Stadium, and if possible Newport and Swansea. Swansea is the place where I got admission into MBA in 2002. But I have chosen Little College because it was close. It is related to my subject and it was close to London. So Swansea is one town, one city I wanted to visit. But let me see how it goes tomorrow and after. I have only 2 days. But first my priority is to visit Bath and then Cardiff. So if any time is there, I will try to visit Swansea and Newport. They are towns in big towns in Wales. So you can see Radisson Blu Hotel. So all big buildings. I am going towards town city center. So you can see the bus stop. See beautiful buses. Its color. I like the color combination. They select excellent colors. See, it is green color. So one is grey color. One is purple color. So wherever this is yellow color. So wherever we go, in each city, they have different colors, different buses. See, all are double deck and they are excellent. So there is not much traffic here during the day, but still they have double decker buses. So it is less, population is less, but in most of the cities we find double decker buses. So that type of facilities they provide to their citizens. So it is excellent actually. Excellent service by the government. So I am going towards town city center. So this is city center, I guess. See, they are going in a queue and entering it to get a bus. So they are all disciplined passengers. So see the buses. See the discipline of the passengers. They always enter in a queue, stand in a queue, and there are some more bus stops here. So beautiful buses, red color. So it is going to French 72. So I wanted to take bus today, but it was only 1 kilometer distance from Bristol Temple Mead station to my hostel. For that I have to walk for 300 meters, catch a bus, again walk for 300 meters. So I thought it better to walk instead of taking bus. So I walked to the hotel. So these are different buses here. So this Bristol town city center looking good. So it is like a total little bit up and down. So you can see big trees. So Temple Meads is the name of the station. Network Rail. So Bristol Airport, there are plenty of buses. Every 5 minutes there is a bus to Bristol Airport, and it goes to Temple Mead. Temple Mead is the station. So what else we can expect in a city called Bristol? See the bus, grey color. Excellent. Suddenly it was raining 1 hour back. So it was hot in London, but when I came here, it totally changed. Climate totally changed. So it's always better to carry jacket, shoes. So when we are in UK, because you never know. Suddenly it rains. Suddenly it gets cold. So always better to carry. So this is a memorial for World War I and World War II. So you can see 1914 to 1918 is World War I and 1939 to 1945 is Second World War II. So World War II, Britain has got damaged, like Germany damaged Britain like anything in World War II. So before it finally surrendered. Still I'm in city center. So all big buildings, shops, hotels, restaurants, businesses. So all are here. Excellent city center. See the big church. I'm just watching the beautiful buses here. Excellent colors. Sitting in a bus stop and watching the buses. Going to Plymouth is mega bus. Even we can get a ticket for £1 if you book in advance. We have buses to Bristol but every 7 minutes. This is A1 bus. It goes to Bristol bus station, Temple Mid station and airport. This is a police station, Bristol, main police station, head office. So, this is Bradwell police station. See the buses, second. Pubs. Airport fire. So every 7 minutes, 8 minutes. Excellent service. It's a Primark, big shop. Big Primark. It's very cheap in Primark, very reasonable prices. I have bought 5 socks. 5 pairs of socks for £2. See that restaurant. All buses coming. Going. This is High Street, our city center. In city center, buses are not allowed. Proper city center. I am happy to see all double deckers here with excellent color, green color, red color, yellow color. Tesco Express, Chat Time, Cave Mosha. So this is a church area, a big garden here in center of Bristol city. You can see BT Group office. So these are all. Bristol is a bit hilly, small hills. So they are, though it's not plain. So just we have to walk up and down. So, but it is nice. It looks like big city, big, big city. So I just saw that here train station, railway station was started in the year 1840. See, so it is Western Railway end terminus. Beautiful church. So it is Nelson Street. You can see excellent old church. Very close to town center. So it is beautiful center here. You see. So old buildings, church, old red color stone building. So this is beautiful garden, bus station, big trees. This is center of Bristol. Beacon Tower. So big trees. So it is beautiful center here. You see. So old buildings, church, old red color stone building. So this is beautiful garden, bus station, big trees. This is center of Bristol. Beacon Tower. So big trees. This is one more center, like one more crossroads. So close to my hostel. Looking good. So I am going back to my hostel. I had a dinner in the subway. So good, it's different than every day. So you can see all restaurants, fast food centers. So this is kebab and pizza, Domino's. So it works almost like 5 a.m. 24/7. This is Thai restaurant, Rosa's Thai. Rosa's Thai. Italian, Bella Italia, Tradition Blue. So all here at the center. It is a restaurant called Pho, the Vietnam street food restaurant. So people are enjoying soup, Vietnamese soup. So this is St. Stephen Street. They're all old buildings, but they're excellent, built using rock, stone. So this is Khan Street. Hello. My hostel is only 100 meters, 130 meters from here. See the old architecture. So it is looking very nice. Now the time is almost 8:30. So still it is not dark. Still we can see light. You can see Cafe Nero, Flight Club. So all those things. Wetherspoon restaurant. They are sitting outside. In the night it is looking good. In the lights it is looking good. So they are enjoying beer, drinks. See another beautiful park. A big park close to my hostel. Just behind my hostel. I am seeing this just now. Now only. So I didn't realize it before. See, excellent trees and benches in the lawn, garden. So it's almost like dark, getting dark. So see the big trees. So Bristol, I found so many big trees. So excellent. So these are the lung spaces of Bristol. This is harbor side. You can see bars and restaurants. Lloyd's #1 bar, Return to Launch. So all this, and there's a Big Ben, Bristol's Big Ben. Sorry, Bristol's Eye. So they're all. I can see a lot of insects. Not good. So these are all river side or canal side. Just 200 meters from my hostel. So finally came to my hostel. So it is now almost like 9 p.m. You still see, you can see the light. So in summer normally it is 10:30. It get dark. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.